Growing up in Taiwan, is very different. Everything my dad's taught me is hard work. Hard work will pay off. Dad ran a shoe store, and he personally adjusts every single shoes for his customers, and he believes in customer service, and that is what made our business different from other business.
We just bought a home and just built things around the house, and then we had an oven, a stovetop, and it didn't fit in our spot. So what we had to do was we had to order a new oven, and it was going to take 6 months for us to get it. So I built a stove cover to cover the hole that the oven was not in. And my neighbor saw it. She took a picture of it, put it on Pinterest. It got 1 million views. And she actually talked me into starting an Etsy shop. And that's kind of how Stone Ones got started.
In the very beginning, it was really hard. We struggled. He struggled.
So we did it in the garage for about 1.5 years. And then we got so big we had to move out, moved to a shop, got 4 employees.
So a lot of times people can dream all they want, but nothing ever come of it. But not Josh. He was determined.
Stone One uses only natural hardwoods that are FSC certified.
Our earth is important because we're not the only generation. We want to save what we can for our future generation, our kids, so they can enjoy it.
So all of our products, aside from being natural wood products, we use plant-based finishes. So it's all plant materials.
We have enough poisons in every aspect of our life, and we don't need to contribute to that.
All of our products are coated in a coconut oil, vitamin E, and then if we use a wax, it's beeswax. So everything is natural from the environment, sustainable.
It's a real quality product that you don't see anywhere else. A lot of times, even big name furniture stores, they don't use real wood.
We're one of I know none of the big companies use actual natural wood products. So that's one thing that we do that most people don't do. It's just too expensive to do that.
People get greedy. They do anything and everything to make a profit. And although we do need to make a profit, we still do care.
Everything we make is an heirloom piece, meaning it will last a lifetime with proper care. And by proper care, I just mean cleaning it, just keeping it up nice and clean, and it will last a lifetime. These are designed heavy duty. We use only the best materials. We use only the best finishes. Everything's natural, and it's built to last. It's built with actual joinery, with anything from American to Japanese techniques. So these things are built to last forever.